Have you ever moved and realized you forgot to update your address on a crucial account? It's a common oversight that can lead to headaches and delays. Today, we're going to walk you through how to effortlessly change your address on your Questrade account. Questrade is a popular online brokerage platform that offers a variety of investment products and services. If you've recently moved, it's essential to update your address to ensure you receive important documents and communication promptly. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Questrade account. The first step is to access your Questrade account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Questrade website. Enter your login credentials and click Login. Navigate to your profile. Once logged in, look for the Profile or Account Settings section. This is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account information. Find the Address Update option. Within your profile settings, you should find a section related to your personal information. Look for an option that says Update Address or something similar. Click on it to proceed. Enter your new address. You'll be presented with a form where you can enter your new address details. Fill in the required fields accurately, including your street address, city, province or state, postal code, and country. Verify your new address. To ensure the accuracy of your new address, Questrade may require you to verify it. This could involve providing additional information or receiving a verification code via email or phone. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Save your changes. Once you've entered and verified your new address, review the information to ensure it's correct. If everything looks good, click the Save or Submit button to finalize the changes. Additional tips. Update other accounts. Besides Questrade, make sure to update your address with other financial institutions, service providers, and government agencies as well. This will help prevent any disruptions or delays in your services. Review your account settings. While you're updating your address, take the opportunity to review your other account settings. Check your contact preferences, security information, and investment preferences to ensure they are up to date and reflect your current situation. Consider using Questrade's mobile app. If you prefer managing your account on the go, Questrade offers a mobile app. You can often update your address through the app settings or profile section. Changing your address on Questrade is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few simple steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you can ensure that your account information is always accurate and that you receive important communications promptly. If you have any questions or encounter difficulties during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to Questrade's customer support for assistance. They are there to help you navigate the process and resolve any issues you may encounter. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful financial tips and tutorials.